Hello everyone, good morning. It's been a while, we haven't posted any video. So I thought of sharing some video today so that it will be easy to explain the levels to see what's happening on monthly, weekly and daily on all the indices. So right now you are seeing Nifty monthly chart on my screen. This is the December month candle. If you see, this is like engulfing candle. This is where we thought for the next couple of months market is going to be down to sideways as expected. For the next 4 months it was continuously falling, and here once it formed the indecisive candle, this is where we thought like once the high of this candle has been taken out, then we can go long, and that is what happening right now. And this is the all-time high in Nifty. And overall, if you look at the Nifty trend, it is uptrend only. It is making higher highs and higher lows. So we need to see how we are going to close this month. For now, according to how the price has been taken out, the high of last month, we are bullish. Next month, again, if the high of this month is taken out, then we will be heading to the all-time high in Nifty as well. If the low is broken, maybe it may take some more time to go to the all-time highs, because maybe it can again go sideways or downtrend if the low of this month is taken out next month. Now let us see on weekly. Weekly it is bit interesting. So if you look at so this green candle is the current week candle which started yesterday, and if day before yesterday, and this red candle is last week candle. So this is kind of engulfing candle. It has taken out the high and low of the previous week. I'm not too confident to trade on this candle. The only reason is the closing of this candle was not below the prior week. Otherwise, definitely we would have taken some put trades, but still one can definitely try some put trades. Like this is what I was talking in our group yesterday. Like once it goes to the high of this candle, this is where we thought like to go short. So this is exactly area like where we marked to short close to the high of last week. So with some small stop loss, one can aim for a bigger targets. Even if you observe as of now, the price has come already little down yesterday, and right now SGX Nifty is trading almost 70 points negative. Even that itself should have given like 1:3-4 trade with the opening. But as long as the Nifty don't go above this high, we can't maintain a bullish view. We have to remain bearish, because if this high is not taken out, there is no wonder in couple of weeks market can keep coming down week by week. Normally, these candlestick patterns will work very well on higher time frames. Even if you want to see some examples here, you can see this is bearish harami after a rise in price. This candle is completely inside of this mother candle, and the next week, this is a bearish indication. The next week it has given nice short entry almost at the high of the prior week candle, and from there it started falling like anything. Not only this, even here also you can see after a fall in price, this is bullish harami. This candle is completely inside this red candle. Once this high has been taken out, it started rallying. So like that there are like so many uh, times like where market has given nice opportunities and we were able to find them. But this week I am not that confident, because the closing of this candle, it went like much higher. If this was closing below this green candle, I would have definitely entered with huge quantity inputs over here. So that is what happening on weekly. Daily it is not showing much clear direction on daily. So let me quickly take you to the 15 minutes chart. So on 15-minute chart, these will be the kind of levels for today. The levels are too far. So already SGX Nifty is 70 points negative. So probably it will be opening somewhere at this level. This could act like a support. If you see, once this was like kind of resistance when market was trying to go high, and again once this has been taken out, this turned into support. It took support and then it moved further high. So now if market opens around this level, around 18,200 250 levels, we need to see how it will react from this level. If you see any strong green candle from here, definitely one can look to go long, and if it closes below this, it is going to be a short trade, and we can aim for this 18,100, 140 maybe today or in next few days. So this is about Nifty 15 minutes. So now let me go back to the Bank Nifty. On Bank Nifty first, let me go to the monthly chart. So this is a monthly chart. Bank Nifty is trading almost close to the monthly high. So interestingly, you can see here when I place cursor, you can see here the high of that particular candle. This was the prior all-time high, 44,151.80 paisa. And this month, if you see, it made high of 44,151.70 paisa, just 10 paisa difference. Still, there are few more days left for this month before we close this monthly candle. So we need to see if it will break this high or not. So day by day, it is giving very less hopes, because if you go back to the weekly chart, it got so many opportunities where it would have broken that all-time high, which didn't happen. If you see, this rally was so strong, and this high, it went almost to 43,740. This is where everyone thought it is going to make all-time high, which didn't happen. Then next week it made little more high above the previous week, but even this also could not go above all-time high. And same last week, and this week it is again a small indecisive candle so far. We need to see if this can break this level very strongly. So we also need to remember, whenever it makes all-time high, and we need to see how that week is going to close. So because like many times earlier, if you see, whenever it make all-time high, it started falling from there. So it made some all-time high and it started coming down, and once it crossed this level, the moment it came to this all-time high, just like few points, and from there it started falling. And this is only one time where it sustained little bit for few weeks, and again it came back to support almost at that level, and it has fallen like anything. Now we need to see uh, if this all-time high, so the way it is consolidating, probably if we see any strong closing, maybe we'll be heading almost to 45, 46,000 levels this time. Let's see how this week closes, and then we'll trade accordingly. Now let us go to the smaller time frames. So first, let me show you something how we traded yesterday on 5 minutes. As demand and supply levels were a bit far away, what we did yesterday, we marked this trend line during the market, and we thought to go long or short once this come out of this range. I believe this is where we marked the triangle here. So we were waiting for the price to come, either come and close below this or to go and close above this. If you see, it is trying to break level, but it failed to close on the upside, and even it failed to close on the downside. After consolidating, after traveling in this short range for longer period, we found it has broken this level, and you can clearly see it came down and it went back, retested the same area, and from there it started falling. Okay, so we were unable to make much profit over here, because as it was Nifty expiry and Nifty also was making similar chart, we entered Nifty PEs instead of Bank Nifty, and premiums got stuck in Nifty and we could not make much over there. That is different story, but the level which we mark worked very well. Now let us see what is going to be what are the levels for today. Let me go back to 15 minutes here. So probably we may see the price open below this according to SGX Nifty. If that happens, we don't give any value for this demand zone. The demand zones are like very far away. So what I did is, like, maybe we can try to mark this levels here. Now let us see, once this breaks, maybe we can expect some downfall. Once it go above, then we can expect some up move in the market. And if the lower range is broken, we need to see what will be the first hurdle for the market. So this area probably will be the first hurdle for Bank Nifty while coming down. And below this range, once if it break this range, then we can expect much lower levels. Let us see how this is going to work for today. But I'll be mostly relying on these levels for today. And apart from this, let me also show you what is happening with Adani. This is one stock which is giving a lot of strength to markets in the last few days. So we have some nice supply area over here. We marked this like long back and we thought to go short once the price come here. I didn't expect the price to come here just in 2 days. So this was the supply area. Now the price reached the supply area, but the problem here is the range is too big. So it is almost like 400 points range. So as the range is big, instead of entering naked puts, one can definitely try some bear puts, which means you buy some put here and sell some quantity below that. This is what I feel with Adani. Maybe it can come down here. There are so many gaps. I believe bear put should work from here. If you want some confirmation entry, wait for some red candle closing here. Then you can try some bear put. So that's all for today. And I'll come up with more information in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.